Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my shrimp egg rolls. So let's cook. Here I have one small cabbage that I've cut in half, and I've just taken the bottom piece out. All you want to do is just thinly shred your cabbage. Now that that's all done, you want to take this and put it off to the side. And this is about roughly 4 cups of cabbage. Here I have 1 carrot that I've cut up like this. So you just want to pile your pieces up like this. And you want to cut your carrots as thin as possible as well. See how thin these pieces are? That's what size you're looking for. Now that that's done, you want to go ahead and put this off to the side. Here I have 2 stalks of celery. And you want to cut your celery in about the same size strips as your carrots. Now that that's done, you want to go ahead and get your shrimp. Here I have about 12 ounces of shrimp. And I'm working with small shrimp. And what you want to do is go ahead and put that out on your chopping board. And you just want to give your shrimp a rough chop. Just until they're bite-sized pieces. Now that that's done, you want to set this off to the side as well. So I have some water here that's about to boil. So you want to go ahead and add your cabbage and your carrots and celery into this water. And you don't want to cook this for too long. You just want to cook this until your cabbage gets soft. And this is not going to take long to do. So I'm going to go ahead and try my cabbage just to see if it's ready. And it is. You don't want your cabbage to be mush. You still want it to have a little crunch to it. So what you want to do is drain this in your colander and then cool it off in some cold water to stop the cooking process. So now it's time to cook our shrimp. So you just want to take a little sesame oil, like a teaspoon or so, and you want to put that in your pan. And you want to go ahead and add your shrimp in. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, maybe about a ½ teaspoon, and some fresh pepper, a little salt. Now that these are done, we're going to set this off to the side. So here I have my cabbage mixture, and what I did was I strained as much water as I could off by putting it inside of a towel and just squeezing it inside of a towel, because you don't want your cabbage to be wet when it goes into your egg roll wrapper. So next we're just going to pour our shrimp in. And I'm just going to add some salt and some pepper. Now I'm just going to add soy sauce and a ½ teaspoon of sesame oil. Now you want to start to make your egg rolls. And you want to start by putting your cabbage in like this. And you're just going to roll it over like this. And you want to tuck it. Next you want to take your cornstarch and water mixture and just go around the sides like this. you want to fold this side in like this, and this side in like this, and you want to roll it. And that's your first egg roll made. So my egg rolls are all wrapped, so I'm just going to fry these up. Now you're just going to cook these up until they're golden brown. Okay guys, so our egg rolls are nice and brown and they're ready to come out. And the important thing about draining your egg rolls, you want to make sure that you're draining them on a wire rack. Because if you drain them on a paper towel, they're going to get soft. Okay guys, so here is my shrimp egg rolls all plated up. And all you have to do is dip and enjoy, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.